We are ready. This is day two Nashville. Last night ended kind of suddenly, and so I have no idea how much footage I got. Maybe I think I'm going to mix the entire weekend just because I have no idea how much footage I got. But yes, we are all ready, and they're right there. We're going to brunch. Ready, fam?
And watch me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
We are at brunch right now. We're at Milk and Honey, and I am so tired.
I'm okay.
I'm exhausted. But I have my birthday sash on.
I'm just ready for food.
Yeah, I'm ready for food. So I will show you the place and then update you whenever we get some food.
Right up to the height of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your feet, baby.
Currently taking a bunch of pictures because you're like really pretty. We're in this store. Look, there's Natalie. I don't know how to turn this, but Anna's dying. This girl hasn't eaten in 2 days.
It's been 24 hours.
She needs some, but there's a long line. So yeah.
So the food is ready, but I was taking a call when they got their food,
So we ate it.
they've already eaten, but yeah, I'm about to like scarf this down, especially this chicken. Like I need something. But yeah. Hi vlog. We are at the Chrome Bar, which is
A stripper pool class.
It's a pole dancing class, not a stripper pole class. And I gotta take these lashes off. If I thought correctly, I would have brought some makeup wipes. Ow! This is not working out.
We really just trying to get by.
Ow! That hurted it. But anyway, yeah, so we have to change first. Like a few minutes ago, my stomach was really hurting, like really badly. It's still like, you know, a nice 6 out of 10.
I've got a bit of a headache, but we thriving.
We're thriving, but we're going to change, go in, and update you. So we ended up going to the wrong place, and now we have kind of a private class. That's okay.
Hold me till I scream for every, and watch me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, right up to the height of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby.
Hey vloggy vlog, I was so confused, it's the opposite way. Alright, we just left the Chrome Bar and Dollar Tree. We went to Dollar Tree. Andy's back there knocked out. She can't hear.
I'm recovering so that I can be full-fledged for tonight, and I'm not doing great.
She can't hang, but
Hey, I can hang.
we have Natalie as the vlogger right now, so she's in control of the content.
Cameraman.
She's a cameraman.
We're 6 minutes away.
6 minutes away.
Feels like an eternity. I literally feel like we're going to Nashville round two.
We're ready to knock out for a quick second.
I feel like we're
not doing good.
Arkansas right now. I just want to go back and take a quick nap for the snack.
We're not in, what is it? We're not in what anymore?
Kansas.
We're not in Kansas anymore.
Arkansas anymore.
All right, bye.
Bye. It's my happy sandwich day. That's it.
I'm going to KFC because I don't want Jimmy John's.
You know, that's kind of what
I mean Jersey Mike's.
My stomach is so.
Yeah, same.
He is not. My hair.
But I like my hoodie. I I think it's so cute.
And it was a good deal to get that and sweatpants.
Yeah, I wanted the pink one, but you know, they didn't have a size medium in the pink one, and I was worried about the bottoms. Otherwise, I would have gotten the pink.
I really said no.
Yeah, but I said yes to the black, so.
Look at the sash. Show them how, do you show them how it lights up?
Oh, the sash? No, here.
Just a fun little side note. While the sash, were you even recording? Because,
Yeah.
oh, okay, you shut it off when you handed it back. With the sash, it lights up, okay? But while we were dying and thriving at the same time last night, we would switch it when things were, okay, this is not turning around. Oh, can you not switch direction?
No, okay, just.
Okay. And look at it.
Yeah, but it lights up just once, and then you press it again, and then it blinks. And this is how people knew to come buy me some drinks.
Or that she was not okay. So
Yeah, it was like an ambulance. An ambulance.
I saw the lights, I came running. So we're
But,
driving.
you know, you only turn 24 once.
Exactly. We're here for a good time, not a long time. We hope it's a little bit of a long time though.
A little bit longer than not.
Longer than 24.
Guys, we are at a rooftop bar right now. And it's so pretty. We're gonna take so many pictures.
Hey, wait,
I had to put back on my regular dress because I didn't get a cute picture in it. We're so young. But that's gonna change. Hi vlog, so I've officially changed to the actual dress that I'm wearing today. And
For the content.
for the content. And we're taking pictures. We're still at the rooftop place. So yeah, we're just taking pictures right now, catching up on some content. I made a few TikToks. So yeah, if you don't follow me on TikTok, definitely follow me on TikTok and follow me on Instagram to see these pictures. But yeah, content is being made.
So we've got a fried bread and a 3-onion dip on the rooftop of this gorgeous skyscraper.
Yes.
Back and drop.
So that's where we were. We were up there, and that there's a rooftop area right there. And now we're going back to the car to drop stuff off.
Heck yeah!
And then we're going down, what was it? Lower Broadway.
Lower Broadway, because we are cultured natives here.
Yes, tourists. We know where we're going. Time we're going to the Jason Aldean rooftop bar.
It's gonna be amazing!
Should we go in there?
I had to put my hair pretty. This is smack dab downtown. This is the nightlife. You can see the stadium right there. This the Titans is the NFL team for Tennessee. And yeah, this is what it looks like. The nightlife, we love it. I feel perfectly normal. Why? Because I'm the needy.
Why are you the needy?
Let's not go there.
Trying to act like you're the Satan all You're like slick.
Let's not go there. Run this little garage. Out in public, take a seat. I don't cut, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
I think it's sausage.
We're just wandering around now. We're in this outlet looking area. I think these two are worn out.
Now the workout's up.
I think they're worn out.
I'm worn out. With that.
Sleep? I mean, no sleep.
Club. Another club. No sleep.
Next place. Anyway, there are a ton of different places around here. I think this is really just like an outlet mall place. But yeah, I think we've been to like a majority of the bars here. Yeah, they're just sitting, but I think we're going to head out pretty soon. But I definitely want to come back here, for sure. Definitely want to come back.